Hello and welcome back again to Seapilot's educational trainings. I'm Anders and I'm going to talk today about how you can use weather data like GRIB files into Seapilot, and also how you can actually do weather routing with the system. That's a lot appreciated among sailors, for example, if you're yacht racing. Well, let's start with the easy part here, when you go and download your GRIB files. When you want to download a GRIB file, there's several different type of GRIB files available on the market. In Seapilot we have 3 standard GRIB files. By selecting the settings menu and GRIB, you can easily access them. And we have chosen to use the NOAA GRIB files. So if you within the GRIB menu select the plus sign, you will have 12 hours, 48 hours, or 168 hours resolution. The NOAA files, then you choose your area that you want to download it for. That's basically where you're zoomed in, and you select 12, 48, or 168 hours. So in this case we will do the 12 hour. It will now start to update, and you will now see that we got the presentation of the GRIB files. We'll also select when the data is made available, when the GRIB file starts, and the size of the GRIB file. Now you will have an easy menu where you can scroll during time, where you are in time-wise, and you can see how the weather situation and the wind is changing during this time. When you want to come back to your own time, present time, you just press the clock, and then you can also choose your cursor and scroll around in the picture to see what is the wind direction and the wind speed at a specific point compared to your own position. And there's many types of GRIB files that you can actually download. We have the NOAA files as standard, but there's several others that you might want to use, and we have on our home webpage seapilot.com some suggestions for other types of GRIB files that you might want to download and test. So that's basically the GRIB presentation. Now we're going to make it a little bit more advanced. So if you want to make an outer route with your sailboat between 2 points, well, let's say for example that we start here outside Visby on the island of Gotland in the Baltic. We select the route, and we have a finish point. We select the outer route, the wind GRIB, and we will select the data for our boat. We will enter the polar diagram that shows the performance of the boat for specific winds and wind directions. And you can find more information also on our webpage about the polars, and we have also suggestions for several different types of boat that you can download. We set a starting time that's a little bit offset from now, a few minutes, and we create. So now the program will take into consideration the wind conditions and the performance of your boat between these 2 points. And you will see now that we got a route. We can put on the GRIB file, so we get it presented above, and the time. You will see a small black dot here now appearing. That's where if you're sailing up to your polars, your speed on your boat in the wind conditions, that's where you should be at the time displayed on the top left. So you will actually get a prediction that you are able to sail up to your performance of your boat, theoretically. This is certainly something that you have to work on with your polars and adapt the polar to the boat during conditions with different sails, etc. But it will actually be able to show you during your route where you will be, what time, where you're supposed to be actually. So this is the weather routing, taking into conditions the weather scenario from the GRIB and the polar from your own boat.